Thank you so much for buying this Solar Racer project from the Engineering Wonder Store. You're gonna have a ton of fun building this and racing against your friends. Let's get into the instructions. In addition to your Solar Racer box, you will also need some markers or paint to decorate your Solar Racer with. First, open your Solar Racer box and make sure you have all your parts. If there are any parts missing, let us know and we'll get them out to you immediately. Inside the box, you'll have a bag with all the parts you'll need to build your Solar Racer. There are also 3 postcards. One of them is a promo card that has a QR code and website to take you to our website and all of our social media and YouTube channel. Please subscribe and share and tag us in your creations. We want to see your Solar Racers. Then there's the quick guide with all the instructions you need to make your Solar Racer if you're not watching this video. Inside the bag, you'll have 2 wood frame plates, which will become the body of your Solar Racer. You will have your solar panel. There's a plastic film protector over the solar panel that you can peel off and throw away. You'll have 4 rubber tread wheels. You'll have 1 DC motor with 2 jumper wires coming out of it. Inside the smaller bag, you will have the smaller pieces, which include 2 metal axles, 2 rubber bands, 1 wood file in case you need to file down any of the wood parts, 2 foam tape pieces, 1 large pulley, and 1 small pulley. Grab your 2 wood frame plates and push out all the pieces of the Solar Racer. Then grab some markers or paint and have fun designing and decorating your Solar Racer the way you want it to look. After you do the large side panels, you can move on to the small side panels. Then decorate the hood and spoiler. I want to point out that I made a mistake and colored the wrong side of the spoiler. It works either way, but I wanted to leave my mistake in there to show that anyone can make mistakes, and sometimes mistakes can lead to an original solution. If you want your spoiler facing the correct way, then color this side. The rest of the instructional video will show the spoiler facing the wrong way. Choose whatever way you like the best. After you're finished decorating, it's time to start assembling. Grab your DC motor and your small pulley and press your small pulley onto the axle of your DC motor, like this. Then grab the side panel piece of the racer with the 2 holes in it, and you're going to slide your 2 wires from the DC motor through the small hole and then press the motor into the large hole like this. Then grab the large piece with Solar Racer written on the bottom. That side faces down and sets right on the table. You'll see a long slit on the bottom left side of the large piece. Take the triangular piece that holds the motor and press it into the side of the large piece that has the long slit in it, like this. Then press the other triangular piece into the 2 remaining slots like this. Then grab the 2 long narrow side pieces and place them on the table like this, coloring side down, and press the Solar Racer into that piece. Then press the Solar Racer body into the other long narrow piece like this. It's time to install your wheels. Grab your 4 wheels and your 2 metal axles and take a metal axle and press it into the center of one of your wheels. This wheel assembly will be our front wheels, so thread your metal axle through the 2 holes in the long, narrow side pieces and press another wheel onto the end of that axle. Make sure the wheels aren't pressed on too far so the wheels can spin freely. Now to install the rear wheels, take a metal axle and press it into the center of one of the wheels. Then take the axle and thread it through one of the holes and stop halfway. Then take your large pulley and thread it onto the axle like this. Then grab one of your rubber bands and thread it onto your axle as well. Then continue threading your axle through to the other side and press your last wheel onto the axle like this. Remember not to push your wheels on too far so your wheels can spin freely. Then stretch your rubber band into the center groove of the large pulley and into the center groove of the small pulley that's attached to the motor. This will allow the motor to transfer its energy to the rear wheels. Then grab your front hood piece and your rear spoiler piece and attach them to your racer like this. It's time to install your solar panel. Grab your 2 foam sticky pieces and peel one off like this and place it on the edge of your triangular side panel like this. Then do the same for the other side. Then you're going to create a circuit between your solar panel and your DC motor. Take the positive or red wire of the motor and press it into the red positive wire of the solar panel. Then do the same with the negative wire, which is the black wire. As a side note, DC motors are not polarized, which means you could connect positive to negative and negative to positive, and it would just go in the opposite direction, which would make your solar racer go in reverse. Then peel away the other side of your foamed sticky tape and press your solar panel against the sticky tape, installing it onto your solar racer. Just double check that your wires don't interfere with the motor or pulley system, and you are ready to race. My son Finn and I drew a cool solar racer course on our driveway. Who's gonna win? The freshly designed car number 1 with fire coming off its spoiler, or the humble, understated wood car? Use a piece of foam board to block the sun from your solar racers and then lift it so they start at the same time.
Your mark. Get set. Go!
Oh my goodness, it was so close, we're gonna have to go to the slow-mo instant replay. It looks like the number 1 car won by a half a length. I bet it was the fire on his spoiler. Congratulations to the number 1 car for winning first place in the Solar Racer Derby. And that is how you build your solar racer. I hope you have a lot of fun building it and racing it. If you want more cool STEM projects or to learn some cool magic tricks, check out store.engineeringwonder.show, and I will see you in the next project.